maintenance management. Types of maintenance. 1. Breakdown maintenance. 2. Preventive maintenance. 3. Predictive maintenance. 4. Total productive. Welcome to my channel, Maintenance Management. The scope of maintenance management are 1. To ensure availability of machines and services required by the various departments of the plant and to make them function at the optional level. 2. To increase the life cycle profitability. 3. To eliminate loss in production time and rescheduling of production, which are ultimately related to profitability. 4. To keep the breakdown time minimum and yield optimum utilization of plant facilities. 5. To ensure accuracy of equipment, thus maintain TPM is a partnership between the maintenance and production to improve product quality, reduce waste, reduce cost, increase equipment availability, and improve maintenance state. Total productive maintenance. Total TPM recruits the operators into the maintenance function to handle basic maintenance tasks and to be the champions of the machine's health. The maintenance department becomes an advisory group to help with training, setting standards, doing major repairs, and consulting on maintenance. Materials handling. Materials handling is the function of moving the right material to the right place in the right time and in sequence and in the right conditions to minimize production costs. It also defined as the art and science of moving, packing, and storing of substance in any format. Principles associated material handling. 1. To eliminate handling wherever possible. 2. To increase speed of processing by providing uniform flow free of bottlenecks. 3. To reduce travel distance to an absolute minimum. 4. To reduce goods in process in order to provide faster turnover of working capital. 5. To minimum losses from waste, breakage, spoilage, and theft.